Let us have a look at the instruction length and see which instructions are better, long ones or short ones. Suppose I have n 16-bit instructions. These instructions would take 16n bits in the memory to store. If these same n instructions were of length 32 bits, they would have taken 32n bits to store. So if I have shorter instructions, I need less space in the memory to store my program. However, shorter instructions, if they are very short, they could be difficult to decode. Longer instructions would have specific bits of sufficient size to denote what they are representing, and it would be easier to decode those instructions. Shorter instructions are also better than long ones because they have to be brought from the memory into the processor, and the memory bandwidth plays a very important role in this. Suppose the memory bandwidth is T bits per second. That means in 1 second it can transfer T bits. Okay. If the instructions are shorter, we can bring in more instructions to the processor in the same amount of time as compared to longer instructions. Suppose if the instruction length was R bits. So how many instructions can be brought per unit time? That would be T by R per second. These many instructions can be brought to the processor per second. If R is less, that means the instruction is smaller, I will be able to bring more number of instructions. The speed of the processor is much faster as compared to the speed or the time that is taken to access the memory. So if the processor has to wait for the instructions to come in, it will be degrading the performance of the system. What the processor wants is that since it is a high speed component, it would want as many number of instructions possible that can be supplied from the memory. So this has to be maximized, the number of instructions that can be brought from the memory to the processor, so that the processor can execute those instructions. If the instructions are longer, it would take more time to bring the instructions from the memory to the processor, and the processor might then have to wait or will be constrained by the speed of the memory.